Well, I'm over here at my house, and I got me a new little toy the other day. I got me a collection of lawnmowers now, and got me about 5 more at my granddaddy's house. But I've had that blue one right there. It's pretty neat. It's old Lowe's lawnmower. But my new favorite one is this Scott's lawnmower I got the other day. It's pretty neat. I just took the muffler off of it. Muffler, there it is. And it's a pretty neat little lawnmower. 46-inch cut, 18 horsepower V-twin, or a 2-cylinder, post-cylinder, Briggs & Stratton engine. And I'm gonna crank it up because it sounds good. Pull the tug out a little bit. Them 2 cylinders sound really, really good. I like that. The deck's nice and wore out. Hose, big one, but the rest of it's pretty good. Front axle's really bad. I'll show you the front end. Ooh, that's terrible. One's that way, one's that way. But yeah, it was free, so you can't beat free.